Okay, let's get started. What do I want to do today? Probably just more polishing. Oh yeah, we were working on the well, let's update the green orbs here. I think that's probably something that we could get to look nicer. Let's see what else. We should put some spikes right there too. We could. Just realized we could do that. Just could make it like one entire sequence for the player to like. Let's see. I don't want to make the game too hard, and I feel like people are already gonna struggle. So let me say, boom, boom. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. We do need to update. There is some. Okay, let's try something down here. Falling animation jitter and we need to fix collision on checkpoints. Okay. What else? I don't know what to do about this. Like, we can try animating it, but I don't think it'll be too good at it either. Ooh, stopping frame. That was something that Sekuros suggested yesterday. Wouldn't be a bad idea. Let me see what's like the best approach for that. Freeze frame. Okay. I'll just see.
Inside the function, type engine.timescale equals timescale. On the next line, type yield getTree.createTimer then pass in our duration multiplied by the timescale, and signal timeout. Yield is used to stop the function execution and returns the current suspended state to the calling function. I'm not going to pretend to fully understand this, but most probably you're just going to use it the way I do, which is delaying the next line inside the function by a set time period. In our case, it's going to be the duration, but we have to multiply it by timescale, because remember, our timescale will be much smaller. So if we, for example, put 0.1 on the timescale, then that means a 1 second duration will take 10 seconds to execute. So after this, we just
Okay.
set the engine.timescale back to 1. And we're done. Simply call.
I'm not sure how this would work in our game since we do have different
Set the
timescales, but
engine.timescale back to
here,
1.
we'll try it out. And I wonder, should I be running this like on our frame freeze? Well, we'll try it on the player for now. I don't know exactly where I should put it, but I mean it's only ever going to run on the engine. Yeah, let's just see. Player 16 freeze time, or maybe we should run it on like the main scene. Let's see. We do have open menu. I'm gonna run it here for now. No, in the main scene. Timescale and then our duration. Okay, freeze time, freeze frame for our duration times timescale. Okay. Engine dot timescale. Isn't that? Let me see something. Find in files. Okay, yeah. So we don't actually need to update the timescale because like our timescale is always going to be consistent. But we do, I guess, want to record what our timescale. Like, yeah, I'm not sure what the whole point of. Let's just run it, see what happens. For now, let's run it on the bounce. I guess manage. No. Let's do it on the enter state. And we'll just run this freeze frame. Level manager dot main scene dot freeze frame, I guess. Run it right here. Oh wait, no. Main, we don't have a reference to our main scene here. Yeah, I guess. Let's see. Level manager. Oh, dot main scene node. Main scene node dot freeze frame. And yeah, I don't know, like maybe 0? I'm not sure what this is, timescale. And then times the duration. Yeah, let's leave it at 1 for now just to see what happens. And we'll set this to, what, like 0.1 seconds? Okay. Nothing happened. Get tree, create timer, yield. Yeah, timescale. Here, wait, let's maybe set this. Is this supposed to be set to 0? But oh, doesn't make sense to be 0 because then I feel like it would just freeze the game. Wait, nothing is happening. Is this the enter bounce? Main scene node. Here, let's just print this out. Or maybe I'm just not noticing the 0.1 difference. Let's set this to 0.2. Whoa, that's kind of wacky. I kind of like it though. Like, whoa, it's like slow motion. It doesn't make sense, but it's cool, you know. You know, it makes me think, like, oh, what if, like, it's giving me some ideas for, like, some really cool, like, you know, what if on the exit of the dash, like, we slow down time, or, like, maybe, like, there could be different modes. Here, let me try this again, because I don't know why. Yeah, we're setting the timer here to 0. Yeah, what the fuck? Yeah, let me set this back to 1. Let me look at this video again.
And we're done. Simply call this function whenever you want to freeze time. For this example, I'm going to call it whenever the player gets hit. I'm going to pass in a value of 0.05 for the timescale, which is technically just a super slow-mo, but it's so slow it looks like a frame freeze anyway, and a duration of 1 second. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Alright, it works.
So, this is not technically a frame freeze. Here, let me see. Okay, well, 1 second is way too much. But let me see something. They lied to us. They said, "Hey, this is a frame freeze, but it's a it's just very slow, a very slow timescale." Also, doesn't seem to be noticeable. I don't know if I like it. I think it's like a little too obvious. Maybe the timer needs to slow down a bit. And I feel like 0.1 seconds is like not even... I don't know why, but I don't even see it. But it also could be because, yeah, we're not actually running like a frozen frame on the game. It's just time slow. Yeah, how's it going? I'm the best, God Matt. Nice music background, and how are you? Pretty good, pretty good. We're currently just polishing, our game. I'm trying to find a good... freezing frame method. Camera shake and frame freeze. Let me see if this is from GD Quest.
Hey
So
everyone, it's Guilherme.
probably a better approach to it. Okay, let me see here. OS delay msec. OS delay on frame freeze requested. Get tree, get nodes in group frame freezer.
Called whenever we start our game only receives the
what
time
the
left
hell?
that we
This is
have on
camera
our
shake.
timer divided by that is used to define how many milliseconds we want to freeze our frames. On our ready function, we're going to loop through all of the nodes that we have in our frame freezer group and connect to their frame freezer requested signal by connecting it to our own frame freeze requested function. Now, when this function gets called, we are first going to check if we are enabled, and if we are not, we're going to return from it. If not, we're going to
Working
reach
on my
out
own
to
OS.
our
No worries, man. Lurk away.
OS class and call the delay milliseconds function by passing to it the delay milliseconds variable that we just saw. And in the end, this is the line that is responsible to give this effect to our game. So you can see how easy it is with just a few lines of code to add a nice effect to our game.
So, seems like we're connecting. Oh, okay. So, I guess this is the delay os.delay msec. Can we just run this instead of all of this? Milliseconds. Okay. Let's just try 500 maybe. Okay, yeah. This is what I wanted. More so what I wanted. I mean, this delay thing, it's not bad, but it's not like exactly what we wanted. But who knows? Maybe we can use it for a different use case. But yeah, it does feel, I don't know, gimmicky. Not gimmicky. It doesn't feel right just yet. I think maybe if we just lower it to like a lower time, eventually we'll find the perfect value. Like, yeah, I think this is pretty good. But it does freeze, you know, like everything in the game. So like, the particles in the game stop moving. Like everything stops moving, and I wonder if that is a good approach. We could also just keep on lowering the idle frame. Like, yeah, maybe instead of delaying it for like a certain amount of seconds, we should just delay it for 1 frame. You know what I mean? Like literally 1 frame, like 1 delta. So we used, but here, let me try just keep on, I'm gonna keep on splitting it in half until we find something that works. Alright, yeah. Can we make our way back? No, we can't. Look this up. Oh. How long should a no more than 3 frames? Yeah, I'm wondering, like, should this be done in NPC? Yo, what's up, desired state? Watching the game, not drinking a bud, and you? We're trying to figure out. Currently, I'm trying to figure out like freeze frames, for like our bound state. So like, you know, when you jump into like a spring, the game gets. Well, it's not even noticeable actually. Reference to an old advert. You might be too young, maybe. I'm not sure how to go about it. I wish Sekros was here, because he'd probably answer it real quick. But yeah, here, I think it is pretty noticeable on 100 seconds, but I don't know if it's like, it's good. What I think I'm gonna do is run Celeste and see how it looks like in Celeste. Cause yeah, it literally looks like the game is lagging when I do this. And I can't really see how it works. Alright, yeah, let's just run it in Celeste. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. I don't even know. I don't see any freeze frames, or like maybe my brain doesn't see it. It doesn't mean it's not happening. And it could also be that maybe like, you know, the physics of the game, like maybe the particles are still running, and the only thing that they do freeze are like you know, the objects that are moving, or the objects that are using you know, like the physics process. But I don't know. All right, let's see. I feel like we would notice it here. Another thing we could try doing is running like, there's a screen shake in the game, so like I can't really tell. Okay. Third. Welcome, third. Okay. I'm gonna try one more thing. Let's go into, make another save file. We're gonna turn on assist mode. This is it, Madeline. Speedrunning Celeste? Maybe. No, we're not speedrunning. I just want to see how they run their like freezing frames. But it is hard to tell. You can do this. You can do it. Okay, so let's turn on assist, and what I want to do is just make the game speed. Oh, you can only go down to 50. Let's give ourselves infinite dashes. What's dash assist? Invincibility? I wonder what dash assist is. Oh! I already... Whoa, that's so cool. I didn't even know this was a thing. Well, if Celeste does it, then I feel like I have to do it. Okay, wait, but I do need to see. Oh, it's based on, okay. Yeah, this looks so cool. It makes me want to make like a I've always wanted, like, ever since I started working on this game, or like, you know, for the past like 2 years, I've wanted to make a turn-based platformer with like that's like super intricate, but like, yeah, just turn-based. I wonder if I have infinite dashes, can I? Oh, you can. Look at that, easy. All right, wait. Let me remove the dash assist. This is too much. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't seem like they have freeze frames on the, at least not on the dash. Let's see if they have one on the bounce. Did I just jump on the, oh yeah, I disabled death. We don't die anymore. And that's the first thing you question, not the fact that we're like dashing all over the place. Okay. Yeah, I'm not noticing any difference in the frames. I never noticed the background here. Are you ready? Are you beach ready? Meanwhile, snow flying, yeah. So yeah, it makes sense that they have like frozen frame, like, yeah, like stop frames in games, but either I'm like just oblivious, like, you know, maybe my brain just runs at 30 FPS because I don't see it. Let me look it up. Found myself in your Steam list, nice. The snow seems to spread over multiple layers, Z index, which is why it looks so nice, I think. True. Very true. And so if, you know, if Celeste does it, then yeah. But actually, wait, no, that's something that they actually took from my game. My game has snow on multiple layers. Dude, okay, yeah, it's my controller. I'm pressing upright right now. I swear I'm pressing upright. Like, there's no way I'm not pressing upright. I'm pressing it so hard. Wait. I want to lightly press it. Right there. I swear I'm pressing it. Okay. We could do the snow thing. The snow thing is kind of nice. It's also nice that it's like different colors too. Like, it seems what, like 3 layers? One white, one blue, and then one gray. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so I guess we don't need a freeze frame on the, I'll have to ask Cycross. Maybe he'll know. For now. I think for now, maybe we just won't have it in the game. Or, yeah, like, I think one thing that would make sense, instead of freezing it, like, if it does exist in the game, I don't think we'd be freezing the game itself. We would be freezing, just like every moving object. I guess maybe freezing the physics process? I don't know. Oh my god. Running in slow-mo and then coming back to this is like kind of ridiculous. Oh, you know what I think I might do though? For the mouse, I think we'll give the player a 0.1 second input. Anti-gravity collectibles, which disable physics entirely. Here, wait, I gotta use the bathroom. Be right back. Not a poop stream. Not yet. Not yet, at least. Oh, you know what's... I just realized the little bar on the top of our stream is like slightly too small. Okay, but then wait, either we make it this full size and then make these bigger. Let me see what this looks like in stream. You could make it slightly bigger, or I could also just no, let's just make it smaller. $50, $30, looks good. I think 30, or yeah, 30 looks pretty good. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what I'm thinking we're gonna do, with the yeah, I kind of like this idea of like freeze or either a stop frame or slow time on enter/exit -state. So yeah, it looked. I kind of liked it in Celeste. Like it was in their assist mode. I didn't even know. Like maybe they also have it like running at a way slower rate in game. But it was pretty cool. It was like being able to kind of manipulate your dash. I don't know, like more precisely. I like that, especially with the mouse movement. So like, like maybe you can hold it and then like for 0.2 seconds you could like, if you see that it's going to go upwards, if the dash direction is going to go upwards, you could turn it, last second, and it would be based maybe on your like horizontal movement. So like you could like, what am I trying to say here? So like let's say you dashed up right, but you meant to dash up. If you were just to swing your mouse to the left for that split second while it was showing it on the right side, it would go poof. You would just have to, move it to the left. Or like if it was going this way, you would have to, I guess, move it down some more. Oh yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it during this stream, but I think it would be very cool, especially for like speedrunners who are serious about playing the game on mouse and keyboard. Wouldn't be too bad of an idea. Another thing that got me thinking was like, I'd like for the game to be like, sometimes I'm speedrunning and it feels like I'm playing Osu or something, and I wonder if there's like something I can do with that. Like, I don't know, maybe make it like sort of like a requirement that your mouse has to be on a specific location for you to get across. Maybe that's an idea for a future game. But yeah. Let's see. Are we still running the freeze frames? Yeah, we currently are. It introduced momentum as a concept, which people like. Momentum as in like literal, like the physics momentum, or like the momentum of like playing through the game? or like the momentum of traversing the level. Okay, let me try to figure this out. Maybe the freeze frame here, maybe we can... Maybe it'll look better if we're not using os.delay. Like, we could still... I'll comment this out for now. And let's try this again, the whole freeze frame with the timescale. I don't know. Could find something. 0.01 with 0.5 second delay. This way, it's still technically running. Like right now, you don't really have any control over a jump once you've committed to it. If you can swing a jump, you feel momentum. You know, if you can swing a jump, like, I feel like I do have control over a jump. Like, you could technically move backwards whenever you want. So like here, I'm jumping left and I'm going right. But maybe you mean something else, or like I'm not understanding. So like I can go back. Obviously, there's like some, like there is velocity being added to the player. So like if you were going right, to go back left would take a little bit, would take more effort than to just go in one direction from the beginning. With the mouse, like how you were explaining. Oh, you're saying like the player could like swing their mouse around to like control their dash? I see. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. Like Osu. Like how people, like I've never actually played Osu, but I've seen gameplay and it looks ridiculous. But I could definitely see that sort of thing happening here, where like, yeah, you swing your mouse and it like does some wacky stuff. Okay, I don't notice any difference in the delay. Engine.timescale, duration, timescale, 0.01, maybe 0.01 is too short. Let me try setting this 1 second. Let's see. Yo, how's it going? Astro and Nub Hab? Welcome. What am I working on? I'm working on a platformer. We're kind of just figuring out movement at the moment. Ooh, you know, I kind of like that though. And with like screen shake, it could also look kind of crazy, but who knows? Maybe this is getting too ahead of myself. Ooh. And this is also making me realize, like, oh, the animations are they're not perfect. Like, maybe we should freeze the player for a split second before, like, you can see here, I'm immediately putting velocity on the player. But maybe we should freeze the player on this frame until, you know, this animation goes to this spot right here. Wow, it looks amazing. Very similar to Celeste. Yeah. This is heavily inspired by Celeste. So I'm trying to think. Let me try to get this this freeze frame to work with the our current timer. Maybe we won't. Let me see. Instead of 1 second, we'll make it 0.2 seconds. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, you can't even tell, but maybe that's not a bad thing. Like, dude, I don't see any difference though. Okay, at 0.5 seconds we do see something, but 0.2. Hey Practical, what happened to your stream? Why so late? So I went to sleep. Well, I tried going to sleep at 11, and it just didn't happen. My body said, "Hey, you're gonna be awake for a while." So yeah, I spent 2 hours like in bed. You know what I think it is? Like we're getting so close to the like the end of the game jam, and like I'm just thinking about the game a lot. So like while I'm in bed, there's like, you know, I wouldn't say it's like because it's not a bad thing. It's like it's both excitement and nervousness about the game. So like yeah, I was just thinking about the game a lot. And so yeah, like after 2 hours, I decided, hey, let me just write some stuff. Like it's been a while since I journaled. So yeah, did that for like a little bit. Journaled a bunch. .05, 4.5. Let's try 0.4. Whoops. And yeah. So I went to sleep. Like by the time I fell asleep, it was, you know, the time that I usually start the stream. So yeah, you can see the frame freezing there, but I don't like it. Let's get rid of it. 0.2. I think maybe if it is happening, it's gonna be very, very short. But it won't make much of a difference. Okay, let's call it there. Also, I think we want to put it on the collisions with these orbs. I think that would help the player a bit. So they have some time. Like right now, I mean, we do have the neutral state of the player. I wonder, like maybe instead of adding a neutral state, we should just add a delay to the game. Like add the freeze frame. But yeah, here, let me throw this on collisions with. Teleport, eyeball. Dash orb. Just put it right here for now. Dude, actually, that's kind of cool. I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie. And with the screen shake too. Wait. Why did it? Oh, we need to make sure it's not on this, but on node activate. Over dashboard. Oh my god! You know, I was just thinking, hey, let me play it right before the stream, and then I forgot again. Yeah, I feel so bad. Here, you know, I'll play if I don't feel like shit at the end of the stream. I'll definitely play it. Here, let me copy it onto my desktop. I meant like unzip it. I meant. That's crazy. I even told myself like, hey, let me do this in the morning, and then I never did it. What happened here? We got rid of it, and now it doesn't work. Or we cut it, and now it's not there. What did we call it? Level manager, freeze frame. No, don't say that. I'm sure the game is good. Yeah, I kind of like that slow-mo. But who knows? Who knows if it's actually good? There would be... It does make the game slower. It also seems like because we're delaying the game, like my inputs, it doesn't get registered right away, or so it seems. Let me see. Or maybe I'm tripping. I'm trying to. Because it seems like we're dashing. Like by the time I run it, maybe that's always the case. But maybe that's always been the case. See. Here, let me try it on my controller. It's a horde survival strategy roguelite game, and I've never created one of these game styles, so it has to be good. No, I'm looking forward to it. Dude. Either, yeah. I think it does mess with my input. Because I guess we are creating a timer. So yeah, maybe this isn't the... Yeah, this is not the best approach. Yeah, freeze frame. It feels cool though. That's what I like about it. Let me see. I'll be back in an hour or so. All right, sounds good. All right, so with this, we could do something similar, and that's we're actually freezing the game for 100 milliseconds. But yeah, this makes it so that our game is literally frozen. I don't know if I like that either. Dude, and I swear my controller is broken. It's actually annoying. I have to use my mouse. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna ignore it for now. Let's or maybe we could just make it shorter. Let me try 50 milliseconds again. At 50 milliseconds, it's not even noticeable. Maybe that's good enough. But I do wonder if it messes with input. Here, let's do this. I'm gonna set it to like 1 second and see if our input gets messed up. It does. Okay. Yeah, I think because yeah, if we're delaying the game and it's still it doesn't register our input. Like I'm spamming up right now. It's gonna. It's gonna mess with the player. So I think maybe OS delay. Maybe this is not the right approach. The only thing that would work would be to have a to update the timescale for a certain amount of time, which is what this is doing. I wonder if yield is messing us up though. Here, let's do this exact same thing, but I'm gonna set this to again 1 second, and let's see what happens. Oh wait, what? Oh no, this is super responsive. So yeah, I think we would have to do it this way. Which is obviously not nearly as slow as it currently is. Okay. So we'll do what? 0.25 with a 0.05 delay. I wonder if there's a way to like do this with without like manipulating the particles in the background. Like maybe only freeze entities and, you know, other moving objects. It also seems like we didn't update the duration for. Yeah, this is only on the bounce. We want to make sure it's the same. You know, I actually kind of like it more on the dash. Or I'm sorry, on the activate orb. We're using 0.05 and 0.5. 0.05 and 0.25. Let me try this. 0.5 on everything. Actually, no. Try 0.3 maybe. Have to do this for the bounce as well. don't know why it seems like nothing happens below 0.3. Maybe timers... Don't timers like work in weird ways? Yeah, it literally looks like nothing is happening. Oh wait, this was on... Yeah, let's try 0.4 here. We'll leave it like this for now. Fix collision on checkpoints, remove fudging. Yeah, we'll probably fix these bugs today. Where is the features? Stop frame before bounce state. And collisions with dash orbs. Okay. I'd also like to explore stop frames on dash, but we probably won't do this today. Oh yeah, we have it written right there. Okay. I do want to fix this fudging. Let's do this today. Let's do this right now, actually. Basically, you know, we have fudging running on like every single corner of our game, but if you set the timer interval to the equivalent of less than a frame, I guess it wouldn't work. To be equivalent of less than a frame, I guess it wouldn't. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't think it is. What is 0.5? 0.25. The duration, 0.25 seconds. That's a long time. But I also wonder, wait, it's not 0.25, it's, let me see here. Yeah, I think you're right, actually. Let me see. Duration times time scale. The time scale is what did I do? .05 times 0.25. That's 0.025. You see something? No, it should work. Cause like, yeah, they give you a warning of anything below. Wait, let me see. Anything less than point. Oh, okay, yeah. Very low timer wait timers may behave in significantly different ways depending on the rendered or physics. Okay. Process loop instead of relying on a timer for very low wait times. So instead of using a, but what would I do instead? A timer using delta. And then we would have to create like a duration, like a, yeah, okay. Var, let's say var, freeze. Let's see this. Stop. Okay, we're still working on the stop frames, I guess. var stop frame duration, or yeah, stop frame duration will equal we'll try 0.25 seconds. Var current stop frame duration is equal to 0. Var and then yeah, delta. Okay. So then freeze frame. So I think we'll want to create another function called start freeze frame. With the duration. Start freeze frame, input duration, and I think, yeah, just input duration. Okay, and I guess, would we run a physics process here? I feel like maybe we should make this its own node. Well, let's just try it here for now. Or we could run this on the player, maybe? I don't know. Alright. Physics process pass. Oh yeah, let's also have a var run stop frame. Stop frame of delta. Oh, maybe I'm trying to think. Like we could run maybe run like update we'll keep it here for now, but I'm not sure. We might want to move it later. If run stop frame freeze frame delta. What's going on? Too few arguments for freeze frame. Freeze frame. All we need is delta. And what we would do here is say okay, on start freeze frame engine.timescale is going to equal something. So yeah, here let's do input duration and input timescale. What if the spring triggered a timer signal instead of this? I'm a noob, just a thought. Or the spring signal triggered a timer function rather. We could do it. So the only issue with timers though is that if you look here, like the amount that we're trying to freeze the game for is it's too low for a timer. For the timer nodes. I don't know why. Like, I mean, that's just how it works. See, very low timer wait times. Less than 0.05 seconds I guess it just acts in a weird way. So I think we'll have to make like our own timer using delta, which I think it would be more precise for sure. So we wouldn't use a timer, but we would we could have our spring trigger a signal, or either the player or the spring. It doesn't really matter which one does it, as long as I guess we're consistent with that. Okay. Oh, but you're saying timer function. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. I think how we get there is probably like we can worry about how we get there later. Yeah. I'm still stuck on timers. That's why. Okay. Freeze frame. Delta. Okay, so on start freeze frame, we'll say engine.timescale is equal to our input timescale. We'll also want to have a end freeze frame. Actually, we could just run it in freeze frame. Okay, so if what do we call it? Input, or no, current stop duration, stop frame duration is less than our stop frame duration. Current stop frame duration we also want to set to 0 here. What else? What else do we need to do? I guess else we could just say, whoops. Run stop frame is equal to false. I'm like jumping between functions. Oh yeah, and then we just want to make sure that the timescale. Also, like depending on the difficulty, the timescale would be different. So I think we should be saving this somewhere. Var current timescale is equal to, I guess, 1.0 for now. But yeah, on start freeze frame, we'll say current timescale is equal to engine dot timescale. Okay. And then engine dot timescale is equal to current timescale. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's everything. Oh, maybe I'll keep this here just in case. Alright, so we're gonna run start freeze frame with input duration and input timescale. I wonder if we put 0, like, yeah, 0 I think would mess with us. Alright, so we'll say start freeze frame. With 0.0, wait, which one was it? We want it to input duration and input timescale. I feel like the input duration should probably be like 0.2 seconds or 0.1 seconds, and then the timescale will make I don't know, 0.05. Alright, let's just see what happens. I don't know if this is gonna work. This is on the bounce. I want to do the same thing on where's our, oh yeah, we wrote it here. Activate. Okay. Moment of truth. But yeah, the whole signal thing, that is a good approach. God damn. Oh, we never have it, and what the hell? It's a really long time duration. I guess. Oh yeah. Okay. Wait. The duration, I think we'll want to divide by the amount of time that we're spending on it. So like, let me see. Would be input duration divided by our input time, or divided by our input's time scale. Wait. Oh, we never actually updated the current time scale. Yeah, current time scale. Wait, what the hell? No, stop frame duration. My bad. Stop frame duration is equal to input duration. Still, I think it's still gonna mess with us. Let me see. Okay. So I think it's is it supposed to be this divided by our time input timescale? Or is it multiplied? How it seems like like dividing it is gonna make it like a way smaller value. Let's just run it, see what happens. Seems sort of correct. Or maybe it's supposed to be input timescale divided by, or input duration. I should probably print out what these values are. I have no idea. We're kind of just, you know, throwing in the values and see which one looks better. I think this would work though. Nope. Okay, I think. Woo. Oh my god, it's so intense. And dude, it's like. It looks cool though. Like maybe we can create some like effects with this. Like I don't know what I would do, but it looks very cool. Slow mode and dash. Oh, come on, is it gonna reach? No, it's not gonna reach. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. Memory Neos chapter. We bounce, and then we fall, and then... and then we dash again. Oh my god. I kind of like it. Yeah, me too. I like... This is why like feature creep is a thing. You find something new and you're like, oh my god, this is so cool. But you gotta keep yourself in check. There could be a meme somewhere in the game though. Like I feel like I could definitely use it. Goddamn, bro. Like my. What the hell? Oh yeah, we're still in like the dash state. This might be good for like testing though, like testing actual frames. Like I am trying to make a precision platformer, so like, you know, being precise is probably a good idea. I wonder why the timer is not like stop frame duration. Let me print this out. Oh wait, it seems like stop frame duration should be our input duration times this actually makes sense. Our input duration times our time scale. Wait, you has it as pass. Pass just means ignore, basically. It's like filler. It's not like, yeah, like return or like, you know, break the function or something. Okay, so I mean, I guess now we have a better working freeze frame. Still, I think maybe the times are wait, what the hell? 0.1 seconds and 0.05. So our duration is 0.1 seconds and the freeze frame is 1. Maybe this is too long. I would say maybe 0.05 and 0.05. I feel like maybe we can even make this value lower now that we're using delta. What's 0.05 times 0.01 is 0.005. This is like I feel like we'll only get one delta frame if it's this low. Pretty sure. 0.05, 0.01. Let's see. Oh, it's still playing. Oh wait, but what are we printing here? You guys can't see what I'm printing. Hey yo, I'm back. Was working on my itch page. Nice. Oh shit. Oh, we're printing delta value, but no delta. Okie dokie. Let's see. We hit 0. What is this? Oh, okay. Delta value is 0.00. We have a 5. I guess 5 frames to work with. We might even want to make it lower than this. Like 2 or 3. Or maybe just 1. I wonder if 1 is like not significant enough. Like if that's the case, then we would literally just run it once, check if it ran, and then like I just realized we could have done that too. I wonder if there's let me try to think like Luciana? Dude, it's so hard to read the new notifications. It's like purple over my text. Whoever you are, thank you. Here, let me check it on my phone. Lucia no Korea. Thank you. Let me know if I butchered your name. But yeah. I'm trying to think, like, we could have a freeze frame literally just for one, is there a way to just calculate for just one delta? Like, just one frame? Like, we could do, like, literally, like, if, once this runs, we'll say run stop frame is equal to false, like, immediately. Like, we could do this. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, shit. Oh, what the hell? Run stop frame is supposed to be true. No, false. And then once we run it, then this should never run again. Oh, but we didn't update the timescale. Okay. So I'll just run this again. Oh, delta is literally time between frames. Yeah. Okay, so technically... I'm pretty sure this is working, but I don't know if this is... Wait. Yeah, I mean, this is running, but I don't know if... Like, it's not noticeable. But it's also not noticeable in Celeste, so... So who's to say? But then... Yeah, I don't know. I do like the slow-mo, though. Like, I feel like maybe we'll keep it in the game. Let me get rid of this. And maybe we'll just make the values a little shorter, like... Wait, what was this? 0.01... It's a point... I keep forgetting, which one is it? This is the duration, right? So... 0.0025. 0.0025. 0.0025 times 0.1. Oh, shit. It's 0.01 times 0.1. Wait, no. No. 0.0025. No. Oh my god, I'm dumb. So this would be 2 frames, right? Divided by 2. Is 0.125. It's like two frames and extra. Let me see. Copy this. 0.000167 divided by what the hell? 0.00. 3. Why am I pretending like I'm gonna figure the like? There's always gonna be like some leftover frames, I guess. I don't know. So this is 2 frames. Oh god. Oh wait. Let's make sure we're running it here too. Three frames. Whoa! What the hell? What's going on? Oh no, not this again. Come on. What's going on though? Should probably print out what the hell is going on, but let me see. If current stop duration is less than our stop duration, Run. Yeah, welcome back. Somehow, what? Our current stop duration is less than... Oh! Wait a second. Oh wait, no, yeah. Current stop duration is set back to 0. So it should work. And stop frame duration is equal to input duration times... Okay, yeah. Oh, I think we need to make sure that if the player, if the player dies, we like stop it. But I mean, it shouldn't make that much of a difference. I think we need to update these rooms too. Yeah, what the hell? Why is this one the one that like freaks out on us? Dude, I love that like we could still see frames of the player. It's like I'm racing against myself. Okay, let me try to figure this out. Why are we freaking out over here? Which room? It was this one right here. What the hell? What is going on? Who wrote this? It seems like the function is stopped, but our time scale has not updated. It's not set. I think I know what's happening. I think we're entering. Let me see. We've entered the bounce. Okay, yeah. I think I figured it out. Okay. So, basically, we're in the bounce, and what we're doing is we're saving our current time scale. So if we enter the bounce again, our current timescale is still the initial slow-mo, which is 0.05 or whatever you set it to. So we want to. I don't think I ever saved this value in our level manager. Like I don't save the difficulty. I just set it to whatever it is. So let's go back into. Level manager. Where do we set timescale? Delta timescale? No. Time scale. Okay, yeah. So yeah, based on these difficulties, I guess we want to save this value. Oh, underscore difficulty. I mean, yeah, let's just save this. Delta times. I don't know what this is, but we're just gonna say our current timescale is equal to 1, and then over here we'll say wait. Actually. Okay. Hopefully that should work the same way. I don't think we really updated, or we didn't really anything different. Okay. So yeah, on this exit, we just want to grab, instead of setting it to current timescale, we're going to say level manager dot current timescale. So we don't need this current timescale variable. Okay. Now we're good. Hopefully. Pretty good. I still don't know. I feel like maybe I should update the maybe 2 frame. What are we running it again? 3 frames? Let's see. 2 frames. Wait, let me see. 2 frames. Or wait, is it 2 frames? Delta value. Delta value. Delta value, but at this point the time has been resumed, so it is 2. Yeah, it's 2 frames. Yeah, let's try one frame. So that's gonna be instead of setting durations, I wonder if we should just do like whatever delta is equal to. Like maybe input delta? No. I mean, yeah, we could, but Try that for fun. Is it on dash orb? Okay. Duration is point whatever that is, and then let's do the same here. Can you even tell? It is happening. It's just very slow. All right, let's look at dash orb. Yeah, dude, I'm really liking keyboard input actually. I think I only like it because my controller is broken. It's like I have to play with it now. Oh shit, oh shit. Grabbing is gonna be annoying though. Or remembering to grab is gonna be annoying. Oh shit, oh my god, oh there we go. I wonder if I should remove grabbing as a mechanic. I think that's gonna be the... I think that's like the biggest hurdle for a lot of people. Oh no. Alright, let's compare this again. You know, maybe in this next demo, maybe I'll let you guys like, you know, manipulate all of these values so you can test out what you think maybe is the best like duration. Oh my god. What the hell? So now I'm wondering, maybe I shouldn't have a neutral state anymore, and maybe we should just make it a this freeze frame stuff. Let's try it out. Freeze frame on the exit of our dash. Instead of the neutral, the neutral state would still exist. It would just, let's see. On the entrance of our neutral, motion is set to 0. Can dash. All of this stuff. Neutral state is equal to true. When do we start? Oh. Can you set a timer to 0 and then what? It would like automatically start? I don't know. We'll give it a shot though. But yeah, on the entrance of the neutral state, we'll also say level manager dot start, and our neutral state duration is usually I think 0.2 seconds. Wait, whoops. We'll leave this the way it is. But instead of I guess 0.2 second. 0.2 second. What? Wait. Yeah, 0.2 seconds. This might be a little too much though. God, wait, what the hell? 0.2 is way too much. So, wait. Stop frame duration, input duration, 0.2 seconds times our input timescale. Maybe the math around this is not correct. Or, like, my brain... Yeah, my brain. Don't know simple math. 0.2 seconds... I need it to be 0.2 seconds. Our stop frame duration is 0.2 times our timescale, 0.1. Brother. Stop frame duration. Stop frame duration. You know what might be confusing is that I'm calling it stop frame duration, but it's not really stop frame. It's like slow-mo duration. What is input timescale? Yeah, let me see. Let's run this again. What the hell? 0.2 seconds, that's 200 milliseconds, right? We want it to be 200 milliseconds. 0.2 times 0.01. Gets us 0.002. So our duration is 0.002 seconds. Or, yeah, 0.002 seconds, but our new timescale is 0.01, right? Input timescale. Input timescale. Yeah. What the hell? Why is this not working? Stop frame duration. Oh. Do we have to do plus equals delta times input timescale? No. Do we? If that's the case, then do something. Maybe we don't even need. Maybe I'm overcomplicating things. I don't know, man. We'll figure it out. Oof. God damn it! Not this again. No, it seems like we do need to set some sort of. Okay. Input duration is 0.2 seconds. Stop frame duration. If our current stop duration is less than our stop frame duration. Yeah. Okay. So we do need that input timescale. Why is 0.2 seconds? 0.2 seconds seems like a million years, though. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's not a million years. It's because this. All right. I think I figured it out. Our neutral state has probably another timer running. Ah, yes, right here. So we start this. Yeah. This is supposed to be. Like, usually we set it to 0.3 seconds. So here I'll just duplicate this, comment this out, put this on 0. That's why. Whoa. Still, there's something running in their game. Neutral. What? Somewhere in our game, we're running neutral state timer. No. How are we going back into the false state, if not neutral state? Hey, wait, what the hell? Our timer doesn't seem to be working. I guess maybe if you set it to 0, it like, I mean, I don't know, like maybe it just automatically jumps to, here, let's just do this. In our enter state. Let's just make sure. Okay, wait. There's too many things going on. For now, on enter state for our neutral state. We stop frame. Okay, and right here we're gonna say neutral state. False. Just for funsies. Let's go back into state logic, and in our dash state, let's just make sure if we go into the neutral state that we're returning, which yeah, we're not. Oh, we are for most cases. Okay. There we go. So yeah, this is another approach. Instead of using... Yeah, originally what we did was we forced the player to enter this neutral state. And the neutral state, like, yeah, there was still physics running, it's just that the player didn't move for 0.2 seconds. Now it's more like the player moves immediately after they dash, but the game is just frozen for 0.2 seconds. But goddamn, this is like, it looks like the game is lagging. I don't know, like, it's not lagging, but it looks like it's lagging, and that might be bad. Maybe 0.2 second duration is kind of wacky. Ooh, okay. Let's let me see. Maybe make it lower, like so instead of 0.2 seconds, we do 0.1 seconds. But yeah, the one thing that's bugging me is like, yeah, some things are still frozen. Sorry, yeah, like the particles in our game are frozen, and it's like it's making me uncomfortable, I guess. So if we want this to work, I feel like maybe we'll have to create like a I don't know, like it would have been nice to do this from the beginning where like, you know, we identified what our entities were, like what are moving like anything that's an object basically. Honestly, yeah, we could just grab the objects node in our game and freeze everything there. That's one approach. That way, you know, like everything that's like decorations. Wait, let me see something. Yeah, because we're also freezing our freaking I don't know if you can tell. Wait. It looks like the yeah, our game, like literally the freaking shader, the fog shader is also frozen. Oh shit. Okay. Definitely need some epic screen shake when the laser is on. I think there is epic screen shake, no? Maybe not enough epic screen shake. Epic screen shake. Oh, and you know what else I need? Oh, dude. I think they do this in Celeste too. If you're like really close to the laser, they do this like slow-mo thing. I might be wrong about that. Like, you know, if you just barely miss, there's like slow-mo. Oh wait, I was trying to check for the screen shake. Oh, there's no screen shake. Wait. Wait, is there? I think there is. Is it just very, very subtle that I can't even tell? Here, let's see. Player camera dot screen shake. Yeah. What? Oh no, it's only on the move state. So start end of laser. Place lock crosshair. Funk. Where do we target player? Find neighbor node. Set damage position. I assume it's here. Or our box. Intersect ray. Start attack. Remove hurt box. I'm gonna assume it's here, but I don't know. Yeah, there is some screen shake, but it looks, I Pretty mid, right? Maybe we should include some arguments for it. Start screen shake with like intensity. I can say 0.5 and then initial strength is 1. Okay. Initial strength. Input strength. Okay. And shake strength. Okay. Yeah. And you said it's, let's set it to, I mean, let's just try 5. Ooh, okay. On top of that, I think the duration needs to be higher. Might be very distracting for the player though. What's our duration? 0.05. 0.05. Okay, and then I guess over here we'll say 5 and 1 second. Let's see. Ooh, wait, I want to try one more thing. And this is gonna look crazy. On top of this, we start the screen shake. Where's the this is on set damage position. Where is our where did we set the frame? Freeze frame. What? Do we not do freeze frame? Oh, we do it on the bounce. Okay, wait. Try one more thing. Start freeze frame, 0.1, sure. I also want to start freeze frame for 0.2. It's a little ridiculous. And yeah, the game looks like it's freaking lagging with the freeze time. Oh, but dude, it's super laggy. But I mean, it looks laggy, but it's technically like it gives you more time to respond to things. So like it would make the game, it'd make speedrunning a lot faster or easier. God damn it. My bad, went to play some games. How dare you? Yeah, it's so freaking laggy. 0.1 seconds. I think we should only ever do 0.1 seconds. What is that again? This is 0.2. Yeah, basically only one frame. Anything more than that is game. Oh, it feels game breaking. 0.01. Oh wait, whoops. 0.1. And let's just make sure in our player state. Oh yeah, wait, what? End of neutral state, we set our timer to 0.1, which I think is right. And in the end of our bound state, or sorry, on the entrance of our bound state, freeze frame 0.01 or point. Point 1? Let me see this. Bro, this looks horrendous. What the hell? What do I do? See, 0.1 times 0.01 is 0.001. This is 10. This is 10 frames, not 1 frame. Oh, that's why. We want it to be. Here, wait. Oops. Here in our main scene, I'm just gonna say immediately afterwards, when we start freeze frame, if our stop duration is less than this, which it always will be on the start, we're just going to say plus equals. I mean, we could just say plus equals 100. Fuck it. And then we would stop for 1 frame, and then the next frame it would update. Okay, so this is 1 frame. 1 frame of freeze. 1 freezing frame. Which looks like. Honestly. Yeah, I think we just need to make sure that this is. We're not freezing the particles or the background. Okay. Okay, I think we'll end it here. And I'll stream again in like a few hours. I think like. No, don't leave me. I'll be back. It's only been 2 hours. Yeah, it's only been 2 hours, but I'm gonna stream again. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Okay. YouTube. Nice, I made it. Yeah. What else did I make? I made solo dev too, I think. I made I think that's it. I might do some work on the stream actually right now. Like off stream, I'm gonna work on the stream quality. But yeah, let's see who's online right now. We got the Captain Code. Oh wait, there's Bad Cop. There's Jotson. Oh, well, so many people are streaming right now. Sticks. You know, I'm gonna rate Sticks. Sticks has been streaming for a while. Sticks, I believe they do like art for the most part. Sticks color. Who's Johnson again? Oh, this looks pretty cool. Okay. I will see you guys again in the, I don't know, like in 5 hours, maybe 4 hours. Peace.